Hello guys, welcome to my first Unreal Engine tutorial. So in here we're gonna learn how to avoid casting, what to use instead casting, and how to send our skeleton mesh without any casting or any other stuff like that. You probably heard about interface messages and sending message to other actors, but the problem is the target thing in the interface message. So how we gonna find our target in blueprints and send the message to that? So let me just explain a little. You're probably gonna cast and then see what you did with your project. The casting is so bad, get actor of class is so bad. The casting problem is that when you casting, you are loading everything from that blueprint to this blueprint, and it's gonna make stuff really heavy. Get actor of class is really bad, even worse than casting, because you actually just finding the first actor that matches and then sending the message to it. So don't use any of them and just listen to me what I'm saying. So here's the deal. I have a door and I want to open it, so I make the overlap, and I have basic door logic to open it. It's really basic. I'm just gonna overlap and the door will gonna open. But how I'm gonna send the message actually? So here's the important part. So let me just add event on being play. I'm just gonna use this because now I'm just gonna use both so you can see everything clearly. So we have tags in blueprints. We actually have many choices to do that. One of them is tags. We can just get tag, actor has tag. And so what is the tags? I'm just gonna go to your blueprint or whatever you want to actually make the overlap event, send message and this kind of stuff. I'm gonna go to the class default and search for tags. Alright, so here it is, it's tags. It makes our work really easy. I'm just gonna type player. I'm gonna just copy this. Let's compile it. Alright, so actor has tag, player. So branch. And now. So if our actor has tag and it's player, it's gonna do this. We're gonna true or false. Any actor that overlap, actually we gotta check that. If it has this tag, it will gonna work. So after that, I'm just gonna open door, custom event. So that's it. Let's go and see how it works. See? Let me try again. See, we didn't cast, we didn't get actor of class, we didn't do any such a stupid thing. You kind of, when you start working on project in a team, you're gonna see how many mistakes the YouTubers did, and you are following them because you don't know. Because the people actually working on the projects and making games know how to deal with this and prevent this stuff that's gonna happen. Actually, in my game, I had the problem with casting. My FPS was dropped so bad, and I just rewrite the codes and everything got fixed. But anyway, so we have one other option too for this kind of stuff, and we can actually just do something else. We're just gonna find interface. You see, does interface this kind? Does interface something? Yes, this is. And we're gonna use interface as our message. I guess I have to go to other ways to make this happen. So anyway, so it works, and I'm gonna just remove them, and I'm just gonna keep this one, and we need this. Alright, so let's use interface instead. I'm just gonna go to content, blueprints, let's make another blueprint class, blueprint interface, and send so we will just message open door. And alright, so in our craft book, so how are we gonna send this blueprint to the door? Well, we can actually use some like event on heat. Let me see if event works. We can use either line trace or this kind of stuff, but I don't wanna do the same thing, so let's try something new. Let's just shift the page. Block and dynamics. Alright, so actually when we are touching the frames, it works. It's a bit strange for me, but what the hell? That's custom. It's blocked. I guess the problem is from this mesh. Just fix this. Vision simply short vision. I guess it's gonna work. Yep. Alright. So we want actually our character, if it hits the door, I want him to send a message to the door, and that's it. Alright, we're gonna use this square hit results. I'm just gonna go down, and this is a heat factor. We can actually use this too. Let me just see its tag names, right? Yep. It's actually writing the component's name. But I'm just gonna this one for interface. Can use that one too. Anyway, so in here I'm gonna send interface using this logic does implement interface, and I'm just gonna put this here, and I'm gonna go back to the door and go to the class settings. This is just typical settings. So I'm just gonna go French and just make this small. Alright, so here's the deal. If we hit object and we made event hit, we're gonna check that if that object has sent message, and if it does, we're gonna send message. Okay, that's it. We're gonna use interface. We can connect this here,
I'm gonna use actor tags too, so it's gonna make this everything clear. So what we did in our character blueprint, we made a hit event, and in here we direct the hit results. We use does implement interface, and if it does, we're gonna send a message to the hitted actor. So it's pretty simple. Now let's come back to the door and make it the interface. Just that's it. Just press play. I don't know why this is lagging, but see, you just remove the overlap and make you feel like there is no overlap at all. No overlap, nothing, no casting, no getting actor. Alright, let's use this for hashtag. Its logic kinda same like line trace, the same hits, because if the line trace hits something, we're gonna create the event for that thing. But anyway, so let me just use this as after tag. But I want to use the interface for just sending a message to it. Actually, we can just get this tag branch and just this too. So let me give the door tags. The door tags I say gonna be door. So alright, everything looks fine. And yep, that's it. Let's go and see what will happen. Done. Actually, we made this like paper by I don't know, the like by project, and it's just gonna save your time if you have time and you getting progress with casting, and it looks good, alright for you. It won't be alright after a few months you adding so many things to the project, and it's gonna so many codes are interacting to each other, everything is loading each other, and alright, we can do. And one more thing, I wanna show you the things actually we can do with this. Well, in fact, I'm just gonna go here, interface. I want to send animation. I don't want to cast my player here. I just wanna send her mesh without casting to here using this, and it will play when the doors open. So I don't know if I have animation right now. Just animations. Alright. Yeah, T-pose. That's exactly what I want. Exactly. Oh my god, look at this. This is alright. I love T-pose. So let's just put it here, copy it. Alright. When we interact with the door, I want the door play my animation, not the player. You're gonna see what I mean if I keep going forward. Alright, so this is our third-person character. We're gonna just get the mesh here. We're gonna just go here, and in here we're gonna add another input and make it skeleton mesh component. Mesh component reference. Alright. Let's just name this skeleton mesh. Just call this mesh. Alright, so our skeleton mesh is going to from player to our door without any casting or kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna go here and connect this to here, and let's compile it. Alright, now let's go to the door blueprint, and in here we have a mesh. Alright, so I just wanna play montage. Is this guy, and then right there. Let's just create this. Let's make it install. But I just want to play something like you can see this. Let's use this animation. Create a page. See? Now our animation is playing fine, and we didn't use any casting methods. We used events that actually are well optimized and won't cause any problem for you. Everything is just working fine like it should. We have our character skeleton mesh with just interface. We can send anything. Even let me just do something for you. I can just make this just remove it. I can make it act like casting. Like in this is gonna be actual reference. Sorry, just that. It's gonna be actual reference, and yep. Let's make the self. Let's go here. We can actually do something else here. We can make the mesh here, the skeleton mesh. I'm just gonna drop it here, and actually we can set this. Set skeleton mesh asset. Alright, yeah, we can actually use this, but yeah, we can't get the direct reference. But there's a funny thing, you know, like, let me show you something. I don't know why it's working. Just remove this. If you just use casting. object reference I should use. I see. So let's come back to our door. Mesh. Yep. So character upgrade reference is different with actor reference, and actually I did that mistake. But anyway, I got this. Just remove this. And let's go here. And test this again. Let's see. And over. Yeah, that's it. You can do anything you want with the interface. You can just know how to send a message and know your target, and that's it. You can send anything you want. Thank you for watching. I'm just sharing you my development experience. So if you like this, subscribe and like, and also I would appreciate if you subscribe and like him, because I really enjoy to teach people how to use the things right. Thank you guys.